good day? All right, we have just a little bit more, but we're not going to slow down. So this next thing's a little different. You know, when we recognize a rank, we always play these cool little videos. You know those? Neat little videos. Here's the new marketing directors. We don't have a video for this one. And the reason we don't have a video for this next one is that we've had so few double IMDs in the history of this company. So few. And I'm cheap, so I didn't do a video. I thought instead of doing a video, I would just do a personal introduction. How's that? Is that all right? The hardest part about a double IMD is this. You know the fortitude it takes to become an IMD? To sit here in this row? Do you know what that takes? It's not rocket science. As Mark said, they just keep flipping cards. They just don't quit. They just don't quit. They just don't quit. But it's a whole different level to get to double IMD. You have to be so hungry and so discontent with the ordinary and so self-motivated to go and make an impact on this world. Very few people have ever done it. It takes a very, very, very special person. And these are the kind of people I look up to. These are the kind of people that I aspire to be, because you know what? A leader is a leader is a leader. I don't care what business you're in, I don't care what industry you're in. People that have the mental fortitude to get up and to keep going and not just hit what everyone else says is success. Everyone else says, this is success, stop. Congratulations, relax, right? Isn't that why you work so hard, so you can get to the top and relax? People that don't stop there, but continue going because they believe in themselves and they believe that there's more they can achieve. They have my personal respect and my personal attention. Call my personal cell phone anytime they want. So, have I done enough built up? Yeah. You're ready to meet your brand new double IMD from South Africa? Come on, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, brand new double international marketing director, Mr. Sashin
told me never ever made it. It was hard back then. I'm living easy right now. I never worried about the hate. All I do is elevate. Now we're living with the stage. I'm moving forward, no breaks. All I did was to believe. I always knew I was
Thank you so much. So, first things first, you know, about a year ago, in fact 2 years ago, I was an IMD, I remember clearly, and you know, I dropped rank. I went back to IMD, and that's when I started my second position to the whole media attack. And the day the media hit is the day my grandfather passed on. And I remember clearly, that's the day I signed up my second position. And thought I was going to go IMD 1 year, and eventually we did it. But you know, first things first, on that day, I was on my knees when I dropped IMD, when I dropped rank, and I was praying, and I was like, from that day onwards, God, every single thing I do, all glory goes to you. Come on! I'm just here, I don't want to be the message, I want to be the messenger, and I'm just going to go out there and spread this thing out as fast as possible. And I want to thank every single person, every mentor that played a part in my life, in my business, in my life. You know, I really don't want to mention, you know, several names because we'll be here the whole day. I appreciate every single thing. This is a team effort. You know, Wayne, probably going to watch this, but thank you so much for creating this. You really don't know what you did for us. Mark, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for everything you've done. I met you the first time when I was 18 years old. And from that day onwards, my life changed. this entire environment changed my life. This journey today started off at 8 years old when I first got introduced to personal development. And from that day onwards, I started working on my mind and started working on me. I want to put something up real quickly if we can get that picture up. I want to thank every single, hold on, we're going to do this again. Teamwork Ventures! And then I've been waiting for 2.5 years for this. TEX! TEX! We got all our leaders up there, marketing directors and above, every single person on our team right now. Thank you so much. Because here's the deal. As much as you might think that I had a part to play in your life, you actually changed my life. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Every one of those guys, every single one of our leaders, I will take a bullet for them. I will go beyond that. I worked, Durban, from Durban to Cape Town, from Cape Town to Joburg, from Joburg International. I was in Cape Town, I built that team for 2 years, and I did not get paid one cycle for 2 years from that team. But let me tell you something right now. Every single one of them, we have arguments, but we love each other. That's why we have the arguments. And then a few months ago, we went through a few challenges again, and that's cool, and I started my 3rd position, and today I did Regional Marketing Director. I want to thank every single person, but I want to do one thing real quick. I want to call my parents up, my sister, and my fiance, dad. I want to call them up real quickly. I want to thank them because you really don't understand how much of a sacrifice that they had to pay for this. See, I was a D student in high school. I was a D student. I wasn't the smartest kid in the block, but I believe we were all born for something greater than just going to school, remembering something, coming back the next day and rewriting it. We all have that inner talent that we need exposed to the world when you really and truly find out why you're living. So, I've heard a lot of people say good things and bad things, and that's cool. But let me tell you something right now. If you want to shut the world up and the negative people, walk the stage. Yes. If you walk the stage, you're always the last person to have the mic. Yes. Come on. We had 140 people rank up in the past 90 days. Yeah. 140. Just that. The event prior to that, we had 130. The event prior to that, we just had under 100. I'm telling you right now, we're going to change the world. Come on. Come on. My parents and my sister, they sacrificed everything. My mom calls me all the time, my dad calls me all the time, and every time we talk, it's like I'm jumping on the next plane. They paid the price just to not see me. But I figured out I'm here to serve and I want to change the world. So, the last time, my parents have been separated since I've been 1 or 2 years old. There's never been a day in the first 18 years of my life where we had breakfast, lunch, or dinner, all 3 of us, or 4 of us at the table at the same time. It's always lunch with dad or dinner with mom for birthdays. I remember my mom took me internationally overseas 3 times. My dad took me once. But most importantly, we only left the country 4 times. So every single time when they pay the price, when people say, yeah, you're never there for your family, you don't really understand. You don't really understand. Because when I'm done, they will never work a day in their life ever again. Neither will anyone that's blood related or team related to me. They will never work a day in their life. Every one of my leaders out there, every single one of the leaders, I am not done until you walk the stage as IMD. Every one of you guys. So my goal was to always give back. In that little packet, can you take out everything, please? I've got 7 different papers. That's 7 wonders of the world. My mom, my dad, and I'm going to pick 1 each. And that's where we're spending Christmas and New Year's. 2 out of 7 of the wonders of the world. And they're going to open it, and I don't know where we're going. But money's not the issue anymore. We're going to book one-way flights. So we're going to Jordan, and we're going to Brazil. Come on! And that's what it's all about. It's not just about the money. It's about everything beyond that. It's everything that money, you know, can't buy, the priceless things. The priceless things out there. Like driving 4 hours to your one-on-one. Going to the most dangerous places to help other people. Doing 5-6 travel parties a day. Yes, the residual paycheck comes in. But who cares about that when you're working every single day? I haven't taken a day off in 6 years. We created this whole motto, work like you broke, to show people that no matter what income you're making, no matter what rank you are, there's no downline, there's no upline, there's no left team, there's no right team. Everyone is equal right here.
Come on.
Every one of my leaders, thank you so much. Let me tell you something right now, we're not done.
Come on now.
We're not done. 31st December 2018, I'll hit triple IMD. Here's the deal. We're not done, because every single one of you guys, every one of you guys, I love you so much. And you'll be walking the stage soon. Thank you so much. God bless.
Made sacrifices, now I'm double IMD. Got team expression, yes, we shining like a beam. Where would I be without my team? I'm 24 and I be living all my dreams. They told me that I never make it, now I'm here. I'm in my Rari, now my vision crystal clear. Where would I be without the fam WV? Where would I be without the fam WV?